All right, good morning. Just a brief introduction for reading groups. All right, in case you need to understand what you're doing. So ants, you're doing reading comprehension. Miss Asma will have a worksheet for you, just like the ones we've been doing. You need to read the text, the selection, and then answer the questions. Please do these at your desk, unless you feel that you need some help from Miss Asma, and that would be fine. You can sit with her. All right, or you can just simply ask her questions as you go. All right, for those of you, the butterflies who are doing the spelling activity, you're going to write out your list of words. Then you're going to create 3 icons or drawings for your 3 of your spelling words. All right, so that means making a picture that represents the word. So if the word is walking, then you're going to draw someone walking. That's one example. All right, number 3, you're going to make 4 pyramids. Use different words than the ones that you used for the icons, all right? Then finally you'll look up one other word that you don't know from your list and write out the definition, all right? And that's it for spelling. So if you're doing read to self, you know how to do that, and reading and the reading response, all right? And also the handwriting for the dragonflies, all right? And so once this video is done, Miss Asma can put back up your spelling instructions and the chart for who is doing what. Once you get settled, she'll leave the spelling directions up for you. All right, have a fabulous day.